Hello my friends, let me continue the shifting operation by taking some examples. How to make this shifting operation uh, and how to understand with clarity. So let us take some examples so that it will be easy for you to know exactly what is happening in case of your shifting operation. Okay, now see. Suppose you are having a signal, let me give some examples. Suppose xt you are having, suppose the signal which is a parabolic signal, let us discuss, this is suppose pt, try to understand. Now, what is your, suppose you want to draw x of t minus 1 or t minus 2, whatever may be, x of t plus 1, x of minus t minus 1, try to understand, then x of minus t plus 1. Actually, here there are two operations. One is shifting, other is folding. Here also shifting, folding. But in this case I am covering it because students having the confusion in these type of operations. So that's why I am discussing under this shifting case. Again and again also in my future videos I will discuss when I will complete all these operations, that means shifting, folding, time shifting, time folding, time scaling. After completion of these time operations, I will solve some questions based on the composite operation, all the operations at a time made up of the signal, then how the shape of the signal will change, that also I will cover. Okay. Anyway, here is just mark xt is equal to pt, x of t minus 1, x of t plus 1, x of minus t minus 1, x of minus t plus 1, how to sketch. Okay, see, you know, this is your time axis, now this is your xt. And what is xt? xt is a parabolic. Actually, pt means unit parabolic. Unit parabolic means you can draw in this manner. So, what is the equation? T square by 2. And remember, this equation is for t greater than 0. This curve exists t greater than 0. T less than 0, its value is 0. Because this is according to the definition of this pt. This is according to the definition of pt. Now see. So, if this is xt, actually if this is xt means xt is given. xt is this. Okay. Now, xt minus 1, try to understand. I have told minus sign means right shifting. This entire signal shifted towards right by an amount of 1 unit. Here it was at 0. Now it will shift towards right by an amount of 1. That means where it started from 0, it started. Now it will start from this point 1. From this point 1. So now this is basically the curve. Try to understand. This is basically the curve. That means this signal you can say xt minus 1. So what will the equation? Try to mark the equation. Equation will become t minus 1 whole square by 2. T ke jagah pe t minus 1. So this will be the equation because you are plotting with respect to t. That means you have to write the equation based on t based equation, where independent variable is t. When t will change, xt minus 1 will change. Understood? Okay, good. Now this is your xt minus 1. Now xt plus 1, here I am drawing, this is time axis, xt plus 1. xt plus 1 means, plus means left shifting. That means this signal, which signal? xt you have to shift towards left by an amount of 1 unit. So left shifting means it will come to minus 1. 1 unit left shifting means it will come to minus 1. So here actually minus 1. And this shape will remain. Because this signal you are shifting, this figure you are shifting, only you are shifting, that's all. Only you are shifting. Now this is your x of t plus 1. X of t plus 1. X of t plus 1 versus t. So xt is this much, xt is this much, t square by 2. X of t plus 1 is what? X of t plus 1, t plus 1 whole square by 2. This is the equation of the curve. This is the equation of the curve. That means equation will also change. After shifting, the curve equation will also change. Understood? Okay. Next, let us discuss these two things. X minus t minus 1, x minus t plus 1. See here, I have told how to sketch x minus t minus 1. Here, folded signal, x minus t is there, then minus sign. Try to understand the trick. Here, folded signal, minus sign. First, you just fold the signal. Several ways are there. So I am showing this way. Also another way I will cover. So minus t minus 1 folded signal. This signal is xt. Xt is just fold. How to fold? Imagine a mirror here. Then we will find this is the reflection. This is the reflection here. Fold it. After folding, just shift. Here minus means what? After folding, minus does not signify right shift. Minus signifies left shift. That means after folding, again you have to shift this folded signal towards left. Here, minus 1. This is your x of minus t minus 1. Understood? X of minus t minus 1. Okay, next see. How to sketch x of minus t plus 1? Folded signal. First you have to fold. Already this signal is x of minus t. Folded. Now this signal, try to understand. This signal x of minus t shifted towards right. Here plus means not left. In this case plus means left. In this case plus means right operation. Folded signal. Now you have to shift towards right. Towards right. That means here this is the signal. Here this is the signal. This is your 1. This is your x of what? X of minus t plus 1. X of minus t plus 1. Understood? Okay. Now when you have shifted, how to write the equation? This is minus t minus 1 whole square by 2. Okay. Now what is this? This is your minus t plus 1 whole square by 2. Okay, because xt is given. Xt is this. X of minus t plus 1. That means x of, in place of t you have to use minus t plus 1. Understood? Okay. So now this is the example what I have given. Next let us discuss from mathematically how to sketch these two signals. Actually these two signals are easy. Now let us discuss these two signals, how to find the equation mathematically and how to sketch from definition how to sketch. So this is a trick and techniques what I have used to plot very quickly, because the theory I have already covered. So that's why I have used the technique to plot actually very quickly. Okay. Next see the most important conceptually see here. Now what is your PT? Actually PT xt is equal to PT, that is your t square by 2 for t greater than or equal to 0, it is equal to 0 for t less than 0. This is parabolic signal. Now x of minus t minus 1 which is nothing but p of minus t minus 1, यहाँ पे put कर सकते हो, that is your minus t minus 1 whole square by 2 for t greater than or equal to 0. T not t, here also you have to put minus t minus 1 greater than or equal to 0 and it is equal to 0 minus t minus 1 less than 0. Actually यहाँ से t का वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो, minus t greater than or equal to 1 which implies t less than or equal to minus 1. Inequality will change when minus sign is multiplied. So यहाँ से भी minus t less than 1 which implies so t less than greater than minus 1. See here. That means you will find this equation. When t less than or equal to minus 1. That means see here. This is time axis. Now this is your x of minus t minus 1. Let us take a point minus 1 because you are observing this t less than minus 1, t greater than less than or equal to minus 1, t greater than minus 1. Okay. So now this point is minus 1. So now when t less than or equal to minus 1, the curve is minus t minus 1 whole square by 2. See here, minus t minus 1 whole square by 2. So that means how to sketch this curve? Actually the curve what I have discussed very quickly, what I have discussed, minus t minus 1, पहले फोल्ड कर लो, फोल्ड करने के बाद ये हो गया, फिर शिफ्ट करो टुवर्ड्स व्हाट, लेफ्ट. दैट मीन्स द कर्व structure was this. That means here whatever this equation will show this curve. Actually this equation minus t minus 1 whole square by 2. Understood or not? Clear? Okay. So that means also you can decision the range also. When if you mark another way, to plot, suppose you have to represent the same axis, पहले प्लॉट करो -t-1 एक्सिस में, देन प्लॉट करो कौन सा एक्सिस में, देन प्लॉट करो, देन उसको कन्वर्ट करो t एक्सिस में. ये भी हो सकता है, कोई भी कंसेप्ट यूज करके प्लॉट कर सकते हो. लेकिन आफ्टर डिस्कसिंग ऑल द कंसेप्ट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द ट्रिक हाउ क्विकली यू हैव टू प्लॉट. So that trick you get from the concept and only have to use the trick for future reference. Okay, for quick plots. Now see, let us discuss another way to plot this. See here, suppose you are having this signal. Try to understand. देखो, suppose same signal. Let us take xt is equal to pt. So pt is equal to what? T square by 2 for t greater than equal to 0 is equal to 0 for t less than 0. ये हो गया कर्व. समझ में? यहाँ पे इक्वल टू भी 0 कर सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे इक्वल टू डालने से सेम मिलेगा, यहाँ पे इक्वल टू सेम मिलेगा. दैट इज नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट यू विल डू. सो देखो, मैं पहले xt, दैट मीन्स इफ यू प्लॉट दिस t what pt, you know this plot. Now if you use this axis as -t-1, try to understand, and here p of -t-1, the shape will remain unchanged. Shape will remain unchanged. That means the equation is -t-1 whole square by 2. Here it is the equation. Same equation will find -t-1 whole square by 2. Now what is your aim? Your aim is to change this axis to t axis. That's all. This axis you have to change to t axis. How to change this axis to t axis? I have told. Now at this point -t-1 0. At this point what is the value of t? That means see, -t-1 equal to 0, -t equal to 1, which implies t equal to -1. So this point will change to t equal to -1. Which point? This 0 point. Now let us consider this right hand side. तो right hand side what? -t-1. ध्यान से देखो, right hand side क्या है? -t-1 greater than 0. What does it mean? -t greater than 1. What does it mean? t less than -1. So this side represents t less than -1 on t axis. t less than -1 on t axis. समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? t less than -1 on t axis. Try to understand. Clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. So now see here. Similarly, you can consider -t-1 less than 0 this side. If -t-1 less than 0, then what will find? -t less than 1, which implies t greater than -1. So this side is nothing but t greater than -1. This side is nothing but t greater than -1. Okay, t greater than -1. That means here you just mark. If you plot accordingly, so that means this is t axis now. Here you have to take a point -1. Suppose this point is -1. -1 से छोटा, देखो, less than -1. This side becomes less than -1 this side. That means whatever the plot you will find, you have to plot up to -1. Because this complete side becomes this. Understood? t less than -1. Okay? t less than -1. That means here t is negative. t less than -1. So that means you will find the curve is just like this, up to this. Why it is shifted? Because of the due to the equation t less than -1. t is negative because here it is t square plus 2t plus 1. Now t less than -1, the curve becomes shifted in this way. Only from the equation, that's all. Okay. So now if less than -1 equation is this, greater than -1, what you will find? 0. t greater than -1, 0. So if this is -1, definitely this is origin, 0. So this is your p of -t-1, which is equal to x of -t-1, same. So this is the plot. Try to understand. How equation changes, just mark. t less than -1, that means t is negative here. If t is negative, then same curve will not find here. This curve will change, reverse. Understood? Okay? Very simple. Very simple. Okay? So now this is the way to sketch the plots, shifted plots. Similarly, x of minus t plus 1. So you can easily plot. Same way you have to use, same analysis you just make, so that you can easily plot actually x of minus t plus 1. Okay. Now let us see other examples. Suppose I am having next question देख लेते हैं. Suppose xt is equal to देखो suppose rectangular t by 2. Now you have to find x of t minus 2, whatever you just mark, x t plus 1, whatever you just mark, x of minus t plus 3, x of minus t minus suppose 1, just mark whatever, no problem. Now x of xt is equal to rectangular t by 2. देखो quickly how I am plotting. So this is your x of t, this is rectangular pulse having total width 2, so this is from minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1. What is amplitude? Amplitude 1 here, 1. Okay. X of t minus 2, that means see here quickly I am drawing this signal shifted towards right by an amount of 2, minus sign signifies right shifting. So if shifted towards right by an amount of 2, so 1 point will shifted 2 unit, 1 plus 2, 3, so it is at 3. Minus 1 point shifted towards right, 2 unit, it will add plus 1. 0 shifted towards right, then that will add 2. So this is 1, 2, this is 1, minus 1 plus 2, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 2, 3. The curve is this is 0, this is your 1. Now, suppose you want to sketch, here this is time axis, try to understand, very simple. Now, x of, this is your x of t minus 2. Now, x of t plus 1, shifting by an amount of unit towards left, plus means left, this is left shifting. So, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0. That means the curve will find this 0, this midpoint is minus 1, this point is minus 2, this is 1. This is x of t plus 1. Try to understand. Now here x of minus t plus 3. See how quickly I am plotting. X of minus 3 minus t plus 3. That means this signal is folded first. Many ways are there. I am using this technique first. Other technique also I will show. So folded. If this is folded, the same signal will find. So this is actually the folded version of the signal. So now here you just mark. This is your time axis. After folding x of t, put a mirror. For folding operation, how it is done? Put a mirror. Then this side becomes this side. This side becomes this side. There is no problem. Same signal you will find. Minus 1, 1. This is x of minus t. Now folded signal here plus means right shifting. This signal shifted towards right. This is the technique. This signal shifted towards right. Signal shifted towards right. By an amount of what unit? 3 unit. So 1 plus 3, 4. Minus 1 plus 3, 2. That means it will start from 2. It will start from 2. Then 0 plus 3, 3. Here it is 3. And here it is 1 plus 3, 4. The signal becomes this 1. This is x of minus t plus 3. Similarly, x of minus t minus 1. Try to understand. Already the signal is folded. X of minus t minus 1. The signal is folded. This signal you have to shift towards left, not right. Minus sign actually right shifting. But here after folding, if minus sign you just see. After folding, if you see the minus sign, then that is left shifting, not actually right shifting. Then minus 1, this is 1 minus 1, 0, left shifting. So it will start from 0 and you will find this. This is minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. And middle point is minus 1. So this is the signal. So very quickly you can plot any shifting is given in the question. Now और एक क्वेश्चन ले लेते हैं. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस मैं डिस्कशन करता रहूँगा. So that exact concept, clear concept you can understand. Okay, easily. So now suppose I am giving another question. Xt is equal to triangular. Let us discuss this symbol. This symbol is triangular symbol. So this is suppose actually 2 triangular t. Suppose I am giving only t. Triangular t means denominator is 1. This is one side width. I have told in triangular function whatever in the denominator, that is one side width. So now you have to sketch x t minus 3, x t plus 4, x minus t minus 2 x minus t plus 1, whatever is given, doesn't matter. So first you just mark, this is your triangular false, this is your x of t, this is x of t, so amplitude 2, this is your 1, this is minus 1. Next you just mark what I am doing. So here x t minus 3, this pulse is shifted towards right by an amount of 3. So if you shift towards right, then you just mark minus 1 plus 3 2, it will start from 2, and 1 plus 3 4, this is 2, this is 4, and middle point is 0 plus 3 3. The height will not change, the height is also 2. Okay, actually this signal here I am writing height means actually this height 2, it is your x of t minus 3. Next you just mark, here I am drawing, so this is the t axis, this is x of t plus 4. Plus means left shifting, so directly this signal shifted towards left. Now this point 1 minus 4, left shifting means minus 4, minus 4 you are adding, left shifting means negative, that ones you are adding. So 1 minus 4 minus 3, it will start from minus 3, this is minus 3, and 0 minus 4, this is minus 4, here the peak point you will find minus 4, and minus 1 minus 4 minus 5, this is minus 5. That means the signal you will draw in this manner, this height is 2, this is your x of t plus 4. Similarly, x of minus t plus minus 2. For this purpose, first you have to fold the signal. So many methods as I am telling, first folding then shifting. Actually, first shifting then folding also you can do. So that I will discuss later. Same signal you will find. But here first folding then shifting. But first folding then shifting means shifting is reverse. Whatever in general case, that is reverse. This you have to remember. First folding then shifting. Okay. So first folding, if first you just fold, then what will find? Same, because you are putting the mirror here. Same minus 1 1, this is 2, this is x of t, x of minus t now, this is x of minus t, now this is time axis. Now then shifting, minus 2 means what you have to do, you have to shift towards left, not right. This is actually the concept, you have to shift towards left, not right. What amount? 2 amount. So this will start from minus 1, this is minus 2, this is minus 3. Why? 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So the figure you will find this. This is the peak point, this point is 2, this is x of minus t minus 2. Now similarly you can sketch x of minus t plus 1. First folded already signal is folded. So now here this is time axis, now see here plus 1 means generally in case of in general this is plus means left shifting, but here it is right shifting after folding, right shifting. So minus 1 plus 1, that is 0, so this is 0. And here 0, this is 2, 1 plus 1 2, and here it is 0 plus 1, this is 1, sorry this is 1. So you will find this point is, this height is 2, amplitude x of minus t plus 1. Okay. So in this way you can have many plots. After shifting operation you can make the plot. Let us give one complicated question, not complicated, just another type of not just like this basic signals. Let us discuss actually this signal. Suppose xt is given, this is time axis, in figure it is given directly, this is xt, this is xt, this is minus 1, now this is 0, this is suppose 2, this is 1, this is 2, suppose given. Now you have to sketch x of t minus 2, x of t plus 2, x of minus t minus 2, x of minus t plus 2. Now all these cases you just made, you just try to make. It's very simple, try to understand what you will do. The first actually x of t minus 2, so t minus 2 means right shifting, so right shifting means this is, I am taking this is suppose the axis, this is x of t minus 2, I will draw here. Dekho, the minus this figure, entire figure shifts towards right by an amount of 2 unit. That means total figure we are shifting. You are not changing the shape. In shifting operation, you are not changing the shape. You are transferring this to another point over the time axis. Okay, that's all. So now minus 1 plus 2, right shifting. So this is your plus 1. It will start from plus 1. This is plus 1. 1. Now 0 0 में वैल्यू कितना है 1. देखो 1 है 2 भी है, ऐसा है सिग्नल. So 0 0 plus 2, that means you will find 2 here. Okay. Now whatever this axis, now 0 point will become this. Try to understand. So that means here it is 1, again here it is 2. Now 2 plus 2, that is 4. Right shifting na? 4. So just connect in this one. Now this value is 1, this value is 2 over this axis. I am mentioning here. This is the signal. Now exactly same manner you can shift the signal towards left. This is time axis. Left shifting means left को मैं बड़ा axis बना दिया. So now this user shift towards left by number 2 units. So that means -1, -2, -3. This will come -3. 0 minus 2 minus 2. This is -2. 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Actually in this manner you just make 2 minus 2 0, -1 minus 2, -1 minus 2 minus 3. This is -3. Then 0 minus 2 minus 2. The entire figure you have to change. That means where 0 was there, ये फिगर को शिफ्ट किया तो ये हो गया फिगर. ये 1 ये 2 वैसे ही रहेगा. दिस इज 0. दिस इज योर x ऑफ t plus 2. Try to understand. Very simple. X of t plus 2. Any doubts? Okay. Now see here, x of minus t minus 2. First you have to fold the signal. If you fold the signal, देखो ध्यान से, अगर सिग्नल को फोल्ड करोगे तो क्या होगा, x of minus t. यहाँ पे मिरर रखो, this side becomes this side. देखो पूरा मिरर रिफ्लेक्शन, exact reflection. Just imagine and plot. This is 1, this is 1. Then this side becomes, this is -2. Now this will be the signal. This is 2. After folding, we are getting this. This side becomes this side. This side becomes this. We are getting this signal after folding the person. So now what we will do? Minus t minus 2. Minus t minus 2 means just mark. This is time axis. Now the shifting is -2 means not right here because you have folded the signal. Folded signal minus means just reverse you just think. This minus sign is nothing but actually left shifting. This signal you just shift towards left. So 1 minus 2 minus 1. 0 minus 2 minus 2. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. That means where 0 was there, this point. This was -2. Now here you will find the signal and here also. Only this figure we are shifting. This is 1, this is actually 2. This is the axis. This axis is x of minus t minus 2. Similarly, you can plot x of minus t plus 2. देखो x of minus 2 plus, here I am plotting x of minus t plus 2. Plus 2 means actually here minus t plus 2 means not left shifting, right shifting. Okay. So this folded signal you have to shift towards right by an amount of 2. So -2 plus 2 0, 0 plus 2 2. That means here you will consider this axis and 1 plus 2 3. Okay. So that means you just mark. So this figure we are shifting. So here it is 2, here it is 1, 1 2. This is x of minus t plus 2. Understood or not? Okay. So in this way, any complicated plot will be given to you. You can easily plot the shifted version of that plot. Okay. Thank you.